In this video, I'm going to explain solving linear equations and basic definitions. Here there are some basic definitions. We are starting with the basic definition, and the first definition is variable. A variable is a letter that used to represent numerical quantity. We are going to use for the numerical quantities, instead of in the primary school when we were solving the questions, we were solving with boxes, stars or apples we were using. Instead of square plus 2, if it's equal to 7, we are going to use x plus 2 is equal to 7, and the unknown term, instead of a number that represent actually the x is equal to 5, you know that one, because 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. So x refers a numerical quantity, and it is called variable. We are going to use the letters for that one, and A, B, C, or X, Y, Z, T, or alpha, beta, or gamma, it's going to be. What is algebraic expression? Algebraic expression is combination of numbers, variables, and operations. So when I say algebraic expression like 2x plus 3, here combination of multiplication and addition around the variable, so this is called algebraic expression. 5a plus b, 3a minus c, these are all algebraic expressions. It's going to be grouping terms. Here there is a table how to read the terms, how to read the addition, how to read the subtraction, and I'm not going to deal with every expression here, but I want to give some of them. Let's say when we say a number plus 4, a number becomes x here, and x plus 4 it's going to be. The sum means addition, y and 7, it must be y plus 7. Also it's here. The number added to 6. A number added to 6, it means that we don't know the number. That's why we should use variable for this number. 9 minus a number. 9 minus a number, when we say, it means that you don't know the number. That's why it's going to be 9 minus x, or here it's equal to 9 minus a. The difference of x and y. Here we have to be careful about for the subtraction, because in addition y plus 7 and y 7 plus y actually same thing, but x minus y and y minus x, they are not same thing. That's why difference of x, which one written firstly, we are writing firstly, then second one written here. That's why minus sign we are putting, and we are writing the y here. 6 times a number, 6 times a number, the product of m and n, 11 multiplied by a number 11x, it's going to be twice k. We can also twice this kind of term. So twice of k means when you multiply the number by 2, half of the L means when you divide by 2. Actually we can use this one with division also. 10 divided by a number, 10 divided by a number, 10 over x, it's going to be the quotient of a and b. This part again I'm telling it's important, because it's not like multiplication or addition. Subtraction and division a bit different than addition and multiplication, because when you replace the places of the numbers, you can change the quantity. That's why a over b, it must be firstly a is given, that's why a is written firstly to numerator, then denominator is the second part, it's going to be. Then as you see in the text, second mentioned thing is b. That's why we are going to write b done, or the ratio of s to t, firstly s mentioned, then t mentioned. So firstly, while we are writing s generally, and then we are writing t. That's why s it's written to numerator and t is written to denominator. It's going to be also here first and second, as I told you. Okay, the next part is equation. Here there is a definition of the equation. An equation is a statement which contains inequality, and equality sign is this one, symbol between two expressions. Here left hand side and right hand side, it is given also here. There are two expressions. 2x plus 7 is one expression and 11 is another expression, and there is equality for between these two expressions. And on the left side, with respect to, of course, our body, we are talking this one, we are facing to the board now, or where we are writing, and on the left side, on the left hand side, we have 2x plus 7 with respect to that one, and we have the second definition here, the solution. A number is called solution that makes the statement true. So we are looking for the solution here, and generally we are using the like terms together method. We are collecting the like terms together. The 3x here, 3 times x, this is at one side it's going to stay, and the known terms like numbers, we are going to collect them to the other side. And here for only explanation, I mean, what is the value of x? It's going to be equal to minus 3 plus 12, and 3x is equal to, we know that's 9, and x is equal to 9 over 3 it's going to be, and x is equal to 3 it's going to be. So solution set of this one, it's going to be equal to 3. And when I said a number that makes the statement true, here this is 3 for this question, a number that makes the statement true, I can check here. When I check, we are going to see that the 3 times 3 minus 12, it's going to give us 9 minus 12, which is equal to 9 minus 12. What it's going to be? 9 minus 12 is equal to minus 3. So 9 and this side is minus 3 and the other side is minus 3. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. It means that 3 makes the statement true. That's why 3 is the solution of the equation. Now we are going to continue with some basic equations here. Linear equation it is called, and with one unknown. If we have only one unknown, it is called linear equation. So 3x plus 5 it's equal to 17, or 5a minus 3 is equal to 12. 7t is equal to 14, and 3x plus 5 is equal to 7x minus 11, or 3 times y plus 2 is equal to 14 minus y. All these are there one unknown. With one unknown they are written, and that's why they are linear equation it is called. Here the definition, at the definition part, it's given that ax plus b is equal to 0. This is the general form, and when I check all of them there, when we write 3x plus 5 is equal to 17, when we write 3x plus 5 is equal to 17, it doesn't look like same, because here it should be 0. This method for that one, you can send the 17 to the other side, and it becomes like this: 3x minus plus 5 minus 17, which is equal to 0 now, and 3x is equal to 3x minus 12 is equal to 0. As you see, I transform the equation into this form, and it becomes now in the same format that we like. So here the important part, in the equation there should be only one variable. On the variable we don't have power. If it is, let's say, 3x squared, then it is not linear equation. So we should be careful about that one also. And a cannot be equal to 0 here. It says there must be coefficient in front of the, this is called also coefficient, you know that one, coefficient in front of the variable. So we should be careful about that one also here. So if there is a coefficient, this can be also 1, 1, 2, 3. Here it is 3 actually, and it is not important for us.